How's it going, everybody? This is Andrew Deal bringing you guys the crypto deal. Today's date is December 11th, 2017, and what I want to talk to you guys today is multi-level marketing companies. You might think, okay, cryptocurrency and multi-level marketing companies. Okay, well, the way I look at it is you have BitConnect. So BitConnect has been on the market since just January of 2016. It's been around for a year. It's made a lot of people 1% on average compound interest yields on their investments. The more money you invest, the shorter period of time they hold it for. You also get bonuses on the volatility bot, their artificial intelligence bot that trades BitConnect and whatever other cryptocurrencies they don't tell us that they're trading on our behalf. And that's how they make their yield. I'm okay with getting a small dividend or small portion of their overall yield, because I'm not sitting in front of a computer every day looking at numbers trying to know when to buy and when to sell and all this stuff. I don't have time to do that. The reason I got into cryptocurrency and started investing heavily is because I want to be financially free. I want to do what I want to do, when I want to do it, and how I want to do it, and I don't want to have any strings attached. I want to fight with my spouse about where money's going to be coming from for rent this month, or how we're going to pay for our kids' daycare or whatever. I want to be financially free. I want to go learn how to surf, do all these things that I've aspired to do for a very long time, but yet I've had financial obstacles that did not allow me to do that. So at the bottom of this YouTube video is going to be my sponsor link, my referral link. And I'd like you guys, if you guys join BitConnect or check it out or create an account, to let me be your sponsor. And what I'm going to have to offer you guys as your sponsors, I'm going to create a separate channel on YouTube that's going to be Crypto Deal BitConnect. And it's really going to go into everything about BitConnect. It's going to follow my trading patterns, what I choose to do as an investor. I do some unique things within BitConnect. For example, for the last 8 days that I had a $1,070 loan in BitConnect, I decided I was going to convert everything in my lending wallet that I gained daily on my $1,070 and transfer right into BitConnect token. And over the course of 8 days, I actually had around a 12.5 to 13.5% increase on what I would just have if I held USD in my lending wallet, which also allowed me to do in 8 days on a $1,070 loan to open another $100 reinvest. It's going to earn me probably, $1 a day to $1.50 a day on $100. That's going to pay me out probably 30% ROI every 30 days on average. It's pretty huge. So since we've already dealt with that, add me as your sponsor. Here's what I have to offer. Brand new YouTube channel where I go over every move I make. I'm going to ask you guys, whoever joins, to be extremely cooperative in giving up and spreading the word on every social media platform that you have. I've already spread it on Facebook. I put Snapchat videos out every day regarding cryptocurrencies, altcoins, etc. So you guys can add me on Snapchat. I'll put that link down on bottom. I really want you guys to be extremely open with me. Anything you guys think that I could be doing better, any information you guys have to share, I want to create a page where we can all do that and we can all be collaborative, because together we're strong. Individual, we're not that strong. There's a lot of whales out there in the crypto market for whale. That's people with a lot of money that hold a lot of cryptocurrency. That can cause fluctuations because the market is so new and infantile. So they have a lot of power in the community, and they have a huge cabinet of financial investors that advise them and read all these, candlestick charts and log charts and graphs and all kinds of stuff to show them, here's based on history, here's what it trades at, here's what the market does, so let's trade on that. So I don't have time to do that, nor am I smart enough to do that. The first point in time that you think you're the smartest person in the room, you're the dumbest person in the room. So I'm an avid real estate investor. I bought probably over $1.2 million in property in the last year using all creative financing deals, a lot of seller carryback financing. I've also used a lot of land deed contracts, a lot of lease option contracts, master lease option contracts, etc. If you guys are looking into getting real estate, I really have to advocate for biggerpockets.com. I think those guys over there have a great podcast they offer. All their videos they upload over to YouTube. They have a great platform if you want to use their calculators. They're awesome if you want to get into real estate. Here's where we talk about cryptocurrency. So if we look at multi-level marketing companies in the current industry before cryptocurrency came out, you would like Advocare, Amway, Thrive, Park Power, Avon, Mary Kay and Ashley, Pampered Chef, whatever have you. And it's a $30 billion a year industry. There's 103 million people that are currently involved in multi-level marketing companies. There's a lot of money to be made out there. And you're buying a product off of somebody at a discounted rate, and the way you make money is by upcharging that product to a house party you have to spread the word. So BitConnect, you don't do that. worst case scenario, you put a small investment in yourself just to see the gains, so the people that you know around you, you can show them what you're making, what gains you're making, how you're making them, and what they could be making just like you with the same investment you did, or how they can increase their percentage of yields based on a larger investment if they wanted to put a larger investment in. So I think this is going to be huge. Also, BitConnect or BitConnect tokens, BitConnect tokens is almost a direct correlation of what the value of Bitcoin is at a given point in time. However, the AI bot that they have, the volatility bot they have, trades pretty much based on volatility. So if the market's going from $10,000 to $17,000 or $17,000 to $30,000, they're making money every time that jumps, and they're paying you out dividends. So as long as the market's volatile like it has been since it came out, there's going to be a lot of money to be made. Secondly, a lot of the older generation, so a lot of the people that have been putting, like I said, putting their money into money market accounts or CDs or whatnot, they're hearing all these major news networks talk about Bitcoin, and they're all getting stirred up. Bitcoin 2 weeks ago was at $7,000 or $10,000, and now it's at $17,000. I need to get in this. I need to reinvest because it's going on now. Us seasoned traders know that's not how it works. As more people get introduced into it, we're going to see some great gains. I didn't get into Bitcoin when it was 11 cents. I didn't get into Bitcoin when it was, $800. I got into Bitcoin when it was like $7,500. And since then, I've made great gains. So I really think we all have a collaboration. We have an obligation to collaborate because we all have the same goal in mind. We want to be financially free. We want to actually give accurate information so that people just don't get persuaded to go away from cryptocurrency because they lost $100,000 of their life savings because they weren't well educated. We want to try to educate everybody, so all these altcoins, every facet of the cryptocurrency market can be sustaining for the long term and can really take out the fiat currencies. Every people that were naysayers or non-believers and didn't invest in it, they're going to be way behind the 8 ball when this thing blows up big time and starts knocking out economies, fiat currencies left and right and left and right and left and right, and it brings the power back to the people. We can decide what we're going to buy, what we're going to buy it for, right? And we can trade it all the way across the world at the click of a mouse. Pretty huge. We're seeing a lot of adoption right now. You're seeing Amazon, Overstock.com, Craigslist now takes cryptocurrency, pretty wild. You're seeing major trading markets, now trading futures on Bitcoin. They say they're going to tame Bitcoin. Yeah, good luck, guys. It's not going to happen. The market's always going to be the way the market is. There's going to be more money in it, and the price is going to be going up. United States government or United States trading agencies want to trade futures on Bitcoin. Doesn't mean the entire rest of the world's trading futures on Bitcoin. We live in a democracy. We don't live in a dictatorship, so we're not going to be like North Korea where they penalize you for buying cryptocurrency or whatnot. You might get taxed eventually. You might be seeing a property tax on it, but I think it's going to be negotiated as time goes down. You're paying a tax to the government, but it's not a property tax in your fiat currency. So I think that as time goes on, we're going to see greater margin for negotiation. We're going to see greater dominance in the global community for cryptocurrency, and we're going to actually see like a huge hegemonic power within crypto. It's going to be giving a lot of power back to the people. So I really advise you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like, give me a dislike. Tell me what you like. If you give me a dislike, you better leave a comment and tell me why you dislike my video. Secondly, if you guys decide to check out BitConnect and you guys decide to create an account, put me as your sponsor. I'm really going to create a huge plethora of information. My goal is to create a huge collaboration of why, where we can all spread what we're learning on a daily basis. If you're an avid investor in the crypto market, you're reading information every day, and not all of us read the same information. So there's a lot of debates we can have within this forum that I'm going to create. And there's a lot of positives that we can get out of it. So this MLM thing is really going to be huge. It's really going to be sticking around. And I think that the mindset we all have and the way that people are going to be adopting BitConnect and platforms like that is going to be so huge that we can all make a lot of money in it. And a lot of people who are investing, they're not going to be getting scammed. They're all going to be making a lot of money in it. At the end of the day, we don't have the power to scam anybody. If they want to put money into BitConnect, just like we did, they're going to be making the same dividends we are. We're not selling them a product that's going to break in a week. We're not trying to sell them a revolutionary vacuum cleaner that gets pet dandruff and their grandma comes over, has a pet allergy, and she's sneezing all over the place or whatever. Oh, this thing's a piece of shit. Or, hey, this spray cleans baby shit off that's been dried for a month. And baby shit, they wipe it on their wall and they can't get it off, and then the house smells really bad. We're not selling anything crazy. We're selling a volatility bot that's been proven over the last year to make profits, compound interest at, on average 1%. And I think it's really going to be huge. So please use me as your sponsor. I will give you whatever your investment is, whatever your party's investment is, I will give you 100% back of the commission that I get, guaranteed. If I don't do that, you can bash my YouTube channel, you can bash me on Facebook, you can bash me in all these places. My goal is to create a huge network so in the future we can all be making great money from people's investments as well as our own. So I'll give you guys back 100% of your commission. You can start off with a bonus of whatever you guys decide to invest. You guys can hit me up on Facebook, hit me up on YouTube, hit me up on Snapchat. Follow me on everything. I'm totally fine with that. Again, my name's Andrew Deal, and this is the Crypto Deal on December 11th, 2017. I'll see you guys tomorrow.